going on, y'all? Before I start this video, I have my first mail package from one of my good friends, also one of my fans. I appreciate it. I've actually had this shit for about maybe a month, but I haven't had any videos, and I wanted to open it up on the video, so let's get right into it. I known him for a while. He actually moved to Texas, and I'm gonna go see him like I think a year and a half ago. So yeah. Shout out to this is the name of the brand. He does rapping. Hit him up for all your rap needs. I forgot about that. Let's see what my boy sent me, man. First thing out is a hat. Very nice. Very nice. Fuck with it. Matter of fact, I'm gonna put it on right now. Oh, hold up. Thank you very much, bro. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, man. And you send me oh yeah, I like this. I like this. I fuck with this shit. Y'all read that? Digs only, motherfuckers. Hell yeah. Yeah, this is my size too. Yeah, this is a large. Yes, sir. So, thank you, bro, for that. I appreciate it, man. I know it's been a while. I've had this package for about a month, and I just never opened it because I wanted to open it up on a video. And this is my first video back, so I appreciate this, man. This is low-key my first race car shirt because it says digs only. Yeah, yes, sir. The bakery is closed. You hear that? Bakery closed. Thank you, bro. Just pulled up to Leading Edge Performance. Couple fast shit. Hello, Jazz. First day driving the car really again. Hanging out with some fast cars. What's up, Trent, man? Rona. Race car stuff. Hey, I can't.
Hey, bro. It was too fucking hot, short.
Yeah, it was really.
They got free tacos and shit.
Look at this thing. Fucking beauty.
I don't know.
Leading Edge Performance. Look at these stands. I believe every car here is tuned or built by Leading Edge. What up, man? I believe every car here is built or tuned by Leading Edge.
Did you say you smoke any car here? Did I hear that?
What's up, man?
What's up, buddy? How you doing?
Making my new YouTube video. It's been a month.
No, you've been chilling for a minute, man, huh?
Yeah, bro. I mean, it's too hot for me, man. It's way too hot for me.
Not for anybody.
See that? See the cars. Half these cars I've never even seen before, to be honest. But yeah. Pretty dope truck too. Let's go talk to my man Trent. How does it feel to be on my YouTube, bro? How does it feel?
I don't know. I mean, you the street outlaw warrior, so.
Oh yeah. That reminds me, YouTube. I've been on here on
Finally
YouTube.
brought your car out, you weak ass boy.
Yeah, facts. Forgot I made it to Street Outlaws. It was pretty dope. I was arguing on there, but yeah, I made it though. Where's Garth at?
Yeah.
I'm gonna keep recording till I see the man in charge. I didn't even read this. See this? I mean, this is also my photographer down there too. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go show you his car right now. Matter of fact, YouTube. This is so fucking sick. This is the photographer's car right here. Look, a beautiful dog.
Go say hi. You want to say hello?
Say hello to YouTube. Look at this beautiful try.
Good idea. Go potty. Go potty. Go potty.
Where is Garth at? How do you feel today?
You're welcome.
This is going on YouTube.
You're welcome. Ice cream?
Yes, sir. How you doing,
I'm doing
Garth?
great.
You on YouTube right now?
Good. I'm serving the ice cream up.
This is the man that
I'm serving the ice. I'm serving the ice cream and I'm serving the ass whooping.
Y'all
So bring it.
Y'all hear that? All the cars are here.
Yeah, come on down.
All the cars are here, man. That's the tuner and the builder. And this is the icing truck.